take off.
Hi guys, this is Premstar14 and I'm at VIP Motors. Make sure you have checked out my previous two videos where I covered the 6 rows of cars parked over here. Now this video is only going to be dedicated to all the G-Wagons parked here.
G-Wagon, 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 all the housewives pulling up. I got a lot of toys, 720S pumping.
Guys, over here you have the Mercedes G 4x4 Square. Guys, I mean, just look at this thing. It's so damn huge and it stands so damn tall. This is not a AMG, but it's a V8 from Mercedes. And these tires, what the hell these things are. Guys, these are 325, 55, 22-inch tires. And this car is raised literally so damn high. It can run over basically anything. And because just a 4x4 Square wasn't enough, besides it you have a G 6x6 which is tuned by Brabus, so it's known the G700. The G700 would stand for the 700 horsepower this thing creates. And guys, it's called the G6x6 because it has 6 tires, guys. Guys, this thing is so damn huge. And if you go have a look behind, you have a spare tire and you have this beautiful wooden finish. It's like a multi-purpose G-Wagon. And it's so damn high, it's basically a truck, guys, a Brabus truck with 700 horsepower. Over here you can see the black badging, the 6x6 and the 700. Guys, oh my god, this thing is mega, guys, it's mega. Besides it, this is the second G 4x4 Square, eye-catching neon green color. Damn. Guys, the G 4x4 Square with a Mansory kit. Whoa, you have the valve control. Oh my god. Well, that, guys, as you can see over here, you can easily run over. Oh my god. Wow, guys, this thing is mega. Mansory have got their hands on it, so you would have upgraded power and you have these extra lights that you get with carbon fiber around it, no doubt in that. And guys, the exhausts were damn loud. I don't know if you guys could hear it. The G500 4x4 Square with a Mansory kit. Guys, this is a very special G-Wagon, though it is the size of the 4x4 Square and the 6x6. But guys, trust me, this is a Maybach. This is called the G650 Laundelet. And this is, guys, basically a Maybach. If you have the money and you want to go for a desert safari maybe, or not a desert safari, but if you want to go out in the jungle with no compromise of luxury, you have this. Oh my god, it's so damn tall, I can't even reach the top. But this is basically a Maybach which can go off-roading, and unlike the other G-Wagons, it's got a V12. The others have the V8. And there's carbon fiber over here. I mean, I don't understand, if you're going to go off-roading, why do you need carbon fiber? What if it gets damaged? The amount of money you'll have to pay. But if you own this thing, that wouldn't matter to you. Wow. And you have this huge spare tire. You would never ever see a Maybach badging on the G-Wagon. When you go over here, you have the same Maybach. You have the G650 Laundelet, which is similar to the one on the other side which I've shown you guys. This is just done up in shade of white. The Mansory, and over here you have last in the line. You have another 4x4 square right here. For the other G-Wagons, you have 3 G-Wagons that are parked there in different shades. They are regular G63 AMGs though. So guys, here's the end to this video where I covered all the G-Wagons parked here, and as you saw, there were no regular G-Wagons over here. Now the next video I will show you around all the luxury cars, which include the Bentleys and the Rolls Royces. And guys, there is a Phantom 8 and there are handful of black badges too. So stay tuned for that video. If you love this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe so don't miss on any future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
G-Wagon, 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 all the housewives pulling up.